Hey everyone! Did you know that just a few minutes of physical activity can boost your mental health? Yeah, it's true. How many of you feel stressed at work? If that's you, stick around because I've got some awesome tips to help you de-stress in just 10 minutes. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of office break workouts. You might be wondering, what even is that? Well, it's super simple. We're talking about quick exercises you can do right at your desk or in the break room to help reduce stress and get you back on track in no time. So, if you're feeling overwhelmed at work, keep watching. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room: workplace stress. We've all been there, right? Deadlines piling up, endless meetings, and that dreaded email notification that just won't stop. It can really take a toll on our productivity and overall well being. Studies show that workplace stress can lead to burnout, decreased motivation, and even health issues. But fear not. We can combat this with a few simple moves you can do without even leaving your desk. All right, let's get into some quick exercises that can help melt that stress away. First up, we have the seated leg extensions. While sitting, extend one leg out straight and hold for a few seconds, then switch to the other leg. This helps improve circulation and gives those legs a nice stretch. Next, how about some shoulder rolls? Roll your shoulders forward and then backward for about 30 seconds. Trust me, you'll feel the tension release. And let's not forget about the classic neck stretches. Tilt your head side to side and hold for a few seconds on each side. These are just a few quick exercises, but they can make a huge difference in how you feel. Now, for the moment you've been waiting for, the most impactful exercise. It's the desk push-up. This one really gets your blood pumping and your mind energized. Simply place your hands on the edge of your desk, walk your feet back, and do a push-up against the desk. It's a fantastic way to release those endorphins and clear your mind. Plus, it can be done in less than a minute. Who knew a desk could be your new workout buddy? All right, let's wrap it up. Taking just a few minutes for these quick workouts can lead to a much more productive workday. Not only do they help with stress relief, but they also boost your energy levels and focus. So don't underestimate the power of a short break for a workout. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your favorite stress relief techniques? Drop a comment below. And if you're interested in more tips on workplace wellness, make sure to check out my other video linked right here. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.